Hello friends, online training on ICT for teaching and learning of मैथमेटिक्स के थ्रू हमारी क्विज दीक्षा ऐप की इसी के क्वेश्चंस आज हम लेके आए हैं। तीनों अटेम्प्ट के टोटल क्वेश्चंस है इस वीडियो में। सभी क्वेश्चन को आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे। इस क्विज का जो लिंक है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, वहाँ पर क्लिक करके आप क्विज में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है विच स्किल आर इमेजिंग as necessary for student future success. Correct answer high level thinking and digital literacy. Next question है which of the following is an open source tools for mathematics teaching. Correct answer है GeoGebra. Next question है which mobile app allow user to solve maths problem by taking picture of them. Correct answer है Photomath. Next question है Pythagoras help the students practice concept related to. Correct answer है geometry. Next question है what do you immersive technology allow a person to do? Correct answer है simulate a real world environment. Next question है which educational resources provide the interactive simulative for math and science concept? Correct answer है PHET. Next question है which device is commonly used for experiencing virtual reality VR? Correct answer है virtual reality headset. Next question है DMOS is best known for its correct answer graphic calculator. Next question है which of the following in the uh, interface of DMOS can be used to vary the value of an equation on a real time? Correct answer is slider. Next question which of the following tools from the toolbox can be used to draw a square in GeoGebra? Correct answer regular polygon. Next question is which of the following is a common audio file format? Correct answer है .mp3. Next question है what challenge does NEP 2020 recommend for mathematics education? Correct answer including computational thinking from early grades. Next question is which of the following can be considered as a prime except of using open source tools for teaching learning? Correct answer teacher can modify and customize according to their needs. Next question which of the following future rhombus is considered as a main advantage of using it in the middle stage? Correct answer rhombus provide the step-by-step visualization of geometric construction. Next question है broadcast in math education are primarily used to. Correct answer है supplement classroom learning. Next question है which of the following tools available in a mass? Correct answer है ruler. Next question है what types of maths resources help student visuals mathematics concept through sound effect? Correct answer है audio simulation. Next question in impressive technology what types of input is used to interact with the environment? Correct answer body movement and gestures. Next question है a mobile games primarily focus on. Correct answer constructing geometric features. Next question है how can AR help students of the classroom? Correct answer by enhancing spatial awareness and motivation. Next question how can 21st century skills like programming benefit students? Correct answer they equips student to handles a variety of situation. Next question what should be the goals using technology in mathematics classroom? Correct answer to promote inquiry and independent exploration. Next question why should technology be integrated into early mathematics education? Correct answer to provide a visual concept for understanding abstract idea. Next question what a key advantage of using audio resources like broadcast in mathematics? Correct answer they allow the student to review material anytime anywhere. Next question which challenge can affect to the use of audio and video resources in maths education? Correct answer limit access to technology. Next question why is the important of integrated digital concept mathematics education? Answer है यहाँ पर it help students concept theoreticals and practical knowledge. Next question is, which audio resources designed to offer student to change revisit classroom? Correct answer है recorded lesson. Next question है, how does the geographic benefit student in mathematics learning? Correct answer, it allow the hands-on interaction with the geometry. Next question है, which of the following command will plot a parabola demos? Correct answer is हमारा x की power 2 plus 2x plus 3. Next question है, which tools provide the step-by-step solution to a wide range of mathematical problems from the basic advantage levels? Correct answer, Wolfram Alpha. Next question है, what is the role of teachers when they using technology in mathematical education? Correct answer, to decide the best way to implement digital tools. Next question है, how does the technology influence the way students interact with the mathematics? Correct answer, and increase the exploration and deeper understanding. Next question is, which of the following used for creating three-dimensional computer generate environment? Correct answer is virtual reality VR. Next question, which of the following is an example of an augmented reality AR device? Correct answer, smartphone and tablet. Next question है, which of the following is an example of virtual lab? Correct answer, PHET simulation. Next question है, why is it important for students to learn skill behave the mathematics reading and writing? Correct answer, to prepare and unpredictable futures. Next question है, A.A10, its mark in geographic. Which of the following commands can be used to construct a circle with the center at A and the radius 2 unit? Correct answer, circle A2, comma 2. Next question है, the math learning center apps are designed for? Correct answer is students in elementary and and middle school. Student elementary and middle school. Next question, who was the founder of GeoGebra? Correct answer है मार्कस हो वांटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Next, which of the following tools is the diametric mathematics software primarily used for geometry, algebra and calculus? Correct answer is GeoGebra. Next question, which of the following feature is not available in GeoGebra? Correct answer, embedded C++ programming. Next question, what should the teacher consider when they're selecting audio and video resources for math education? Correct answer, the alignment with the learning objective. Next question है, what can simulate manipulative helps students with? Correct answer, understanding the abstract concept by manipulating virtual objects. Next question है यहाँ पर, what is the key focus of the NCERT mobiles apps? Correct answer, problem solving and pattern recognition. ये थे हमारे टोटल क्वेश्चन इस स्किल्स के. इस वाली जो हमारी क्विज थी, टोटल 3 अटेम्प्ट्स के क्वेश्चंस थे यहाँ पर, जिनको हमने सॉल्व किया इस वीडियो के माध्यम से. बाकी की वीडियोस की जो प्ले लिस्ट है वो आपको मिल जाएगी, वहाँ से आप वीडियो को वॉच कर सकते हैं. पहले की जो क्विज गई है उनके क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स अब उस वीडियो के माध्यम से जो प्ले लिस्ट मिलेगी यहाँ पर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, वहाँ से आप वीडियो को वॉच कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़. और आगे की वीडियो के लिए भी आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. आगे इसी टाइप की वीडियोज़ आपको यहाँ पर मिलती रहेंगी.